pass between the pulmonary trunk and the right ventricle.
Pulmonary valve.
Pulmonary semilunar valve. Okay.
Okay.
Then, what's separating the right ventricle from the left or from the right atrium? Left ventricle. Right ventricle, right atrium. What's separating them?
Tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve. Okay. Which is composed of.
Chordae tendineae and papillary muscles.
Okay. What else is in the right ventricle that you might need to know?
The right ventricle?
Mm-hmm. Moderator
the
band.
moderator band.
Which is.
Thoracics are on the outside and biceps are on the inside.
Do that again. Same thing you just did.
Oh, there you go. There it is.
Okay. So now in the right atrium, what's going on in the right atrium?
Blood's entering.
Well, as far as. Okay, so what are your two vena cavas?
That's what we were asking.
So anterior vena cava and the posterior vena cava is right here.
Oh, okay.
You know that because it's right between two things. Which two things? So there's the fossa ovalis, which is right here. It's that belly button looking thing.
Okay.
Just a dead end. And the coronary sinus,
Okay.
which is going to lead in to the other atrium. It's going to connect the two atriums, left atrium and right atrium.
Okay.
So now over in the left atrium, what's in the left atrium?
The
bicuspid valve.
So the bicuspid valve is in between the left atrium and the left ventricle. But what else happens in the left atrium?
blood enters the left atrium through the pulmonary veins.
Good. You don't necessarily need to identify them, just know that that's that cluster
Which
right
one? Where?
there. You don't need to distinguish them because they've all been cut off.
Oh, okay.
But they're in this area, and you can see on the inside, right here,
Okay.
the area where they're going to return.
Okay.
So then you go through the bicuspid valve, which also has chordae tendineae and papillary muscles with it, into the left ventricle. What's going to happen there?
Well, it's going to be pumped out of the left ventricle to the aorta, through the aorta,
What's it going to pass?
brachiocephalic trunk,
Before the brachiocephalic trunk, before it even enters the aorta,
aortic valve,
aortic semilunar.
aortic
So
semilunar.
pulmonary semilunar and aortic semilunar.
Okay.
Then off the aortic arch is the. You just said it.
Aorta.
Off the aortic arch, yeah. So the aortic
Is the
arch just the first
brachiocephalic
part of
arch?
the aorta. Off the
Aortic
aortic arch is the brachiocephalic trunk.
Oh, trunk.
And what connects the aorta to the pulmonary trunk?
Ligamentum arteriosum.
Harry Potter?